All right, so we're going to go over the jab and some footwork and the jab cross combo. So just to review first the jab. With our foot position, if you're right-handed, then you put your right leg back, arms out in front, elbows drop to the side. My right thumb goes underneath my right cheekbone, pinky and thumb, just like this. Create some space. I can see your face. Clench the fist gently. And then we're going to slowly throw the jab by extending the arm with a twist. Right? Just like that. Shoulders go forward a little bit. Just like that. My right hand stays close to my face. Now anytime you throw the jab, you want to take a step forward. So we're going to go slow. Step, jab, step back. 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 So in class we did this about 10 times until I saw everyone was doing this correctly, slowly. And then when we increase the speed, you want to make sure, one, you extend the arm, twist it so you protect the elbow from popping, and you want to pull it back as if there's water on your hand and you want it to come off of your hand by creating that whipping motion. So it's there and back. Step, punch, step back. Step, punch, step back. Okay? Do about 10 of these. You can do more, of course, but you want to be able to make sure you step, punch, and step back. Step, punch, step back. Step, punch, step back. Step, punch, step back. If you say it out loud, make sure you're doing it in the right order. You don't have to do it fast. Move at your own pace. There you go. Aim for your nose, or my nose, whichever you prefer to hit. All right, now what we're going to do is incorporate forward and backward movement. So when we do forward movement, you're going to lead with the front leg, then the back leg. So it's going to be like this. Step, step, and then throw the jab. So it's going to be step, punch, step back, and then go back. Step, step, leading with the back leg. Okay, so going forward, front leg first, back leg, and then step, jab, step back, then back, back. Okay, going forward, step, 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 jab, step back, then back, back. Going forward, 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 step, punch, back, back, back. Forward, forward, step, jab, step back, back, back. Forward, forward, step, jab, back, back, back. Forward, forward, step, back, back, back. Okay, do that about a dozen times. You'll be good to go. Okay, now to incorporate the cross. So when we do the cross, very important to get the back foot in there. This blanket's going to be used for the next drill. So when we do the cross, looks like this. So it's your back hand, my right hand. We throw the right hand, and then the right foot comes up and pushes off on the ball of your foot. So it looks like that. There we go. Okay. So we're right here. So make sure you twist that foot onto the ball of your foot. Some boxers call it squishing the bug. So we're right here. If you notice, my hips are rotating. It's very similar to throwing a ball, right? Similar to throwing a ball, except we're right here. Okay. Now to incorporate the jab and the cross, we're right here. Step, jab, cross, step back. Make sure you always keep your hands up. So we're step, jab, cross, step back. Step, jab, cross, step back. Okay, let's do about 10, about a dozen or so of these. Step, jab, cross, step back. 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 go at your own pace. It helps to say the movements out loud, like how I've been doing. That way you remember it. Okay, pause. Are your hands in the same spot? Are they about level with your nose? If not, and then you can reset like how I've taught you, right? Keep your elbows close to your body. You don't want them out like this, okay? So step, jab, cross, step back. 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 Good. Now we're going to incorporate a footwork drill where we're going to move. We're going to pivot on our back foot. So, like for those that play basketball, it's very similar when you're pivoting. When let's say you have the ball and you're here, you have the ball, you're pivoting on that back leg. So again, I'm on my right foot. I have an X right here, so my foot stays on this spot, but I'll end up lifting it. So it'll look like this. So this is a scenario where, let's say I'm back against a wall and I have targets 180 degrees. If you want to hit lights or floating objects, you can. Or if you're sparring with a person and they're moving left to right on the outside, that's where this scenario would come into play. So I'm right here, and in class what we did was just practice moving 180 degrees. So my lead leg, which is my left leg, just moving 180 degrees left to right. And then my back leg stays on the X. I'm just maintaining this position, staying light on my feet. Okay? And the way it works with boxing is, this is my space. I can't hit my target or my opponent when I'm in my space. I have to take a step forward. Whoops. I have to take a step forward, and then I can hit my target. If my opponent comes into my space, I'll either take a step back or I'll defend, but we're not going to go there yet, okay? So for right now, we're right here, and then we're going to throw jabs. So we're going to step, jab, step back. Step, jab, step back. Step, jab, step back. Step, jab, step back. Okay, so do that about a dozen times as well. Step, jab, step back. Step, jab, step back. Step, jab, step back. Step, jab, step back. Okay, check to see. Are your hands still as high as your nose? You don't have to have this blanket. This is just to provide a visual and me exaggerating the movement of stepping out of my boundary so I could hit my target. Okay? Good. Just like that. There you go. Keep the elbows close to your body. All right, now we're going to incorporate the cross. So we're going to go like a step, jab, cross. Make sure you push off of that back foot. Step back. Step, jab, cross. Step back. Say it out loud. That way you'll probably do it right. Here we go. Step, jab, cross. Step back. Now, if you move so fast that you end up going right, left, then you might be going too fast. So then just slow it down. So you're right here. Step, left, right. Or step, jab, cross. Step, jab, cross. You don't need to go fast. What I'm looking for is accurate movements. Demonstrate like how I'm demonstrating. And be good. Good. We could add the speed later on. We're just looking for good technique. Excellent. Okay, so that is that. Go and upload the video in Canvas. If you're not too sure how to do it, let me know. Also, there's an Ed puzzle that you'll see there in Canvas as well. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Take care.